Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can deauthorize apps that has been connected to your Discord account. So you're going to go to user settings and you are going to go to authorized apps. As you can see, I have Valorant Store connected and also Gartic Phone. For instance, I want to deauthorize this sort of website, so just press deauthorize and then press deauthorize again. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!